Channel 3000 is a versatile, multifunctional channel that can be either surface or suspension mounted. For this installation, we'll be focusing on the surface mounting. Before we get too far, please do take a moment to note that our Channel 3000 is a two-part channel system. It should arrive with both a top channel and a base channel. First, before we get started cutting the channel, we actually recommend snapping the channel pieces together and inserting the lenses. Now, this will ensure that all of the components necessary for each run that you have are cut to an identical length. Second, after you actually finish cutting the assembled channels, detach the channel pieces from one another using a tool and remove the lenses from the top piece of the channel. Next, you'll drill your desired mounting holes through the base piece of the channel. Fourth, drive your mounting screws through the holes in the channel that you drilled previously, directly into the mounting surface. Five, you can now install the LED strip in the center groove of the top channel and attach the lens. Using one of our two optical lens options, you can slide them in one at a time. And here's a pro tip. If you're using one of Channel 3000's optic lenses, it is absolutely critical that the diodes of your LED strip are as centered as possible along this groove in the middle. Any deviation from center has the potential to affect the angle of the light output for this unit. Sixth, attach the end caps to the top and base channel pieces using the provided screws. 7, we're going to snap the top channel into the base channel, then adjust the channel to your desired position. Finally, power on the LED strip and there you go. You have now successfully installed and assembled Channel 3000. If you have any questions, visit kelvix.com to learn more or to schedule a private learning session with one of our lighting professionals.